Meaning of intellect.
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 Intellect. The term intellect generally refers to the capacity or ability of an individual or group to reason, understand, learn and think in a rational manner. It encompasses a wide range of cognitive abilities, including perception, memory, intuition, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It is often used to describe a person's mental abilities or mental power. In some cases, the term may also refer to a particular area of expertise, such as intellectual property law or intellectual history.